The merchant reviews the requested access and installs Myuser.ai. After installation, the app opens inside Shopify and runs initial setup. We'll cut out most of this from the video, since the loading is about 2 minutes. Home shows setup is not complete because the app embed still needs to be enabled. In Theme Editor, the merchant enables the Myuser.ai app embed and saves the theme. Back in the app, the embed shows that it is complete. Next, in Step 2, merchant selects which sign-up forms they prefer. The app displays some starter pop-up options on the merchant store they can pick from to get started. The merchant then gets redirected back to the Pop-ups tab with their new forms displaying. Here, for testing purposes, we are going to disable the 2 forms that do not have a phone and an email input by clicking the toggle on the top right. Then with the remaining pop-up, we'll click to edit it. Scroll down to Display Trigger and set it to Immediately on-page load, and toggle Show only once per session to unchecked. Then, going back to the Home tab in the app, now that the merchant has enabled the app embed and chosen the pop-ups, Step 3 is to turn on the automation. This allows Myuser.ai to start showing these pop-ups and scheduling out messages to new users that fill them out. The storefront test begins. The pop-up appears, the shopper enters email and phone, checks marketing consent, answers that they want snowboards, and receives the promised discount code automatically added to their cart. Next, the shopper views some products, adds a snowboard to their cart, and searches for green snowboards. These actions become behavior signals that are used to send out custom marketing emails and text messages. Back in Shopify, the dashboard shows 2 new scheduled messages. The merchant navigates to the Messages tab, then opens the scheduled text message. The merchant reviews the text message, then tells the AI to add urgency, and sees the text message has changed to one conveying more urgency. Then the merchant presses More Actions and Reschedule, changing when the message gets sent. The merchant opens the Off Shopify My User dashboard, then navigates to the Customers tab. The customer profile provides additional information about the customer and the user's history, though the controls have equivalents on the Shopify app. Next, we will generate the scheduled out email idea. This is generated at send time usually, but can be generated and previewed before that. Now that the email is generated, we can see a preview of it on the left here, but we'll tell it to improve the email and see the results of that. Here is the improved email and the summarization of the changes made. The merchant also creates an email manually by typing a prompt and selecting product chips, demonstrating that the merchant can direct the AI and choose specific products. Here we have the option to select when it is sent, and with what template it is inspired by. We'll just leave them on default for now. Here is the email that was generated from our idea with the products that we told it to include. Wrapping it up, back in Shopify, we see the Controls tab, which allows you to fully control the AI sending behavior, as well as settings for pop-ups. That's it for the core features of the app. Thanks for watching and testing the app. Hopefully the AI voice isn't too annoying